Hi everybody, and welcome to the Raspberry Pi for the older generation. Well, hello again, another video, our penultimate module. We're going to be looking at the MPU6050 chip. Right, the MPU6050 chip. Let me just give you a quick look at one. Here it is. It's a small module. It's got 8 pins. Right, and it combines a free access gyroscope and a free access accelerometer. Okay, and a DMP, digital motion processor. Right, a digital motion processor. Now, just to show you where it is, go to the overhead. You might be able to see it, but see where my storage is. There's an 8 pin slot just here, and let me just see if I can get it out. Ooh, gently. There you go. There he is. Okay, that's the module. Okay, there's the 8 pins, and they're all labelled. We won't go through the labels, but there they go. There they are. So what you do, it goes in this way, so the pins are on the left, and then what you do, you just marry it up with the slot underneath. See if I can do it. Oh, marry the pins up, turn it on, and a green light comes on. Let's see if you can see the green light. You can. Oh no, I can't lift it up far enough. All my cables are connected. All right. So yeah. So this is what we're going to be looking at. All right. And there's an explanation of the pins. All right, we are going to be using I2C to connect this. I2C. Okay, right, let me just sort my knife out over here so you can see everything. It's quite a short configuration, but there's a lot involved. We've got to be really careful with how we type this all in. All right, so let's open Thony. Okay, file, open. Okay, come to our template and okay that. Here's our template. All right, so the first thing we need to make sure is that, let's go back to my desktop, sorry. Let's go back. You need to import this library, all right? The MPU6050 Raspberry Pi 1.2 library. Make sure that's in the same folder that you're going to connect, that you're going to have this program in. All right, okay, so you're going to need that folder, that library. So let's start. We're not going to be using GPIO pins, so we need to import the MPU6050 library. We need to import time. Right, so let's come down, and then MPU space equals, that MPU is all small case, MPU uppercase 6050 dot MPU 6050 brackets on, brackets off. All right. So that's our first step. This initiates the MPU6050 class object. Now we need to do Excel, all small case, space equals, square brackets, 0, square brackets off, *3. All right. That defines the array to store accelerometer data. Then we need gyro equals brackets on, square brackets on, square brackets off, *3. Right, and that defines the array to store the gyroscope data. Right. So that's that one. Let's move on. So let me just tidy up, bring this up to line 7. We do not need a GPIO board in the setup, okay? What we do need is MPU dot DMP underscore initialize. That's the American way of spelling it. All right, initialize. Brackets on, brackets off. Initialize the MPU6050. Okay. Right. So far, so good. So let's backspace that. Let's come down, and we're going to go to our def loop. While true, true is always true. Right. So go to our true. Return auto indent. Excel for accelerometer equals MPU dot get underscore acceleration. Get acceleration, accelerometer data. Brackets on, brackets off. Right. Next, gyro equals MPU dot get, all small case, underscore rotation, all small case, brackets on, brackets off. Gets the gyroscope data. Now this is where we've got to be careful. Right, print, because we need this, all the information we need to print. Brackets on, exclamation marks. Then it's a /, is it / G colons %D. All right, and then it's a backslash, and it's T %D. Right, backslash T %D, backslash T %D, backslash T %D, backslash T %D. Right, now here it's got a return. Okay, and I'm going to put in the next line of code If you've got a problem in the code, I think this is where it's going to be. All right, this is where it's going to be. Okay, percent. Right, hang on, let me come back. I'm going to put in that there. Then I'm going to do the return. Okay, then I'm going to do percent, brackets on, Accel, all small case, square brackets on, 0, square brackets off, comma, Accel, square brackets on, 1, square brackets off, comma, Accel, square brackets on, 2, square brackets off, comma, gyro, all small case, square brackets on, 0, square brackets off, comma, gyro, square brackets on, 1, square brackets off, comma, gyro, square brackets on, 2, square brackets off, brackets, brackets, sorry about that, brackets off, brackets off. Right, returned. We now have another print statement, a long one. Okay, print, brackets on, colons, so not colons, yeah, exclamation, A, /G, colons, percent, dot, 2F, space, G, \T, percent, full stop, 2F. Space G, \T, percent. Why have I gone capitals? Why have I gone capitals? Have I got my caps? Oh, I have, haven't I? Right, we need to change all this. Let's go to here. Oh, let's take it all out and let's do it again. Practice, eh? Practice, practice. Right. Exclamation marks. A /G. Colons. Percent dot 2F. Space G \T percent. Dot 2F /G, not / space 2F space G \T percent. T percent dot 2F space G \T percent dot 2F space D /S T percent dot 2F space D /S backslash T percent dot to F space D /S quotes. Return. Percent. Brackets on. Accel. Square brackets. 0 square brackets off. / and it's 16384. .0 comma. Right, then it's Accel for accelerometer, square brackets on, 1 square brackets off, / 16384. .0 comma. All right. Whew. Okay. We're getting on. That's that line there. And it says hit another return. Accel. Square brackets on. 2 square brackets off. / 16384. .0 comma. Gyro. Square brackets on. 0 square brackets off. / 131.0 comma. Then it's gyro. Square brackets on. 1 square brackets off. / 131.0 comma. Gyro. Square brackets on. 2 square brackets off. / 131.0 brackets off, brackets off. Whew. Okay. Okay. Enter. Right. Oh dear. Try and not sleep. Brackets on. 0.1 brackets off. Whew. Hopefully nothing's too, what's the word? Bad. Too bad. Right, let's do that quickly before we save anything. File. Save as. Control V. Okay, save it as MPU uppercase 6050 RAW uppercase .py. Don't forget the .py. Remember, we need to name it that because we're using the library. All right, and okay that. Right. Let's have a quick slurp. Quick slurp of water. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's run it. Line 17. Right, line 17. Let's have a look. Line 17. Percent. Accel 0. Square brackets on, square brackets off. Right, okay. Just making sure where I'm at. Line 17%. Accel, square brackets on, square brackets off. / 1384-0. .0, sorry, comma, Accel, square brackets on, square brackets off, 1. Ah, there we go. Found the mistake, .0. Okay, let's save that. We had an O instead of a 0. Fingers crossed. Yeah! Line 16. Line 16. Nearly. Oh dear. Line 16. What's SG? Colons percent. .2F. Space G. Backslash. T percent. .2F. / G. Print is not defined. G. .2F. D / S. D / S. .2F. DS. Percent. Accel. Square bracket 0. / 0. 01. Accel. 2 / Right, you know what I think it is? Whenever you swap lines, I think it interferes with the code. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to backspace that. Put it there. All right. And then let's save that. Keyboard interrupts. Let's run it again. Right, still something wrong with this code. Line 16. Line 16. What I reckon, put it all on the same line. Put it all on the same line. Let's do a couple of keyboard interrupts. Let's save it. See, I definitely think it's something to do with everything not being on the same line. Let's run it. Ah, here we go. Yeah, it was because you need to have that code, that print code, all on the same line. All right, all on the same line. If you don't have it all on the same line, then it's not going to work. It's not going to work. So there we go. So now I can't do the accelerometer, obviously, but I can do the gyro. So if we watch this here, and I'm going to turn it to the left, you'll see it change. Yeah, AG 7 something. If I go back down, it's on 8 something, 7 something. You can see it changing. Let's go to the other way, and you can go see it going to the minus. All right, you can see it going to the minus. Well, we've got it working. Simple code, but it's quite technical. Do you know what I mean? All them percents, T's, percents, etc., etc. But anyway, yeah, when you do this, make sure you copy the code exact. What I would do, freeze the video, go through it, and make sure you got it correct. All right, that's what I would do. Anyway, thanks for watching. One more component to do, and that's the RFID, the RFID, which stands for I didn't know, radio frequency identification. Radio frequency identification. It's what you see when they put fobs on a door to get in a door. All right. Anyway, until the next video, please give us a thumbs up, comment below, and please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.